Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we are going to be going through skincare from 8 Saints. This box came in a few days ago. I've been itching to get into it, and I haven't even broke the seal yet. Now, 8 Saints is a skincare brand. Let me get this open. Now, the first thing that I noticed whenever I was going through their products online was their play on words are superior. This is called Up the Ante, and it's a hyaluronic acid. I go through hyaluronic acid like pretty regularly. I'm really excited to try theirs. And then next up is a cocoa cream triple whip body butter. This sounds so good. I cannot wait to put this like all over my body and just like slather myself in it. And then last thing is an almond butter sugar high hand cream. I don't know if you noticed, but I chose one product for each portion of your body. So the Up the Ante, the hyaluronic acid, that is specifically for your face. I love how everything is sealed. Good thing I have my scissors here on hand. I've never tried a hyaluronic acid in a jar before, so this is going to be interesting. Usually it's a serum in, oh, that smells nice. So it's like a cream consistency. Oh yeah. Yeah, so it just feels like a cream or lotion. Like I said, I've never tried a hyaluronic acid of this consistency before. Usually it's like a serum and it's in like one of those eyedroppers. So this is very interesting. Then the whipped body butter sounded so nice to just like slather on your body like after you shower. I love putting on like lotions before I go to bed. Like after I've done an everything shower. I am really looking forward to this. This is a really good size too. Seal. Ooh. Oh, that smells so good. This smells like the sun. If you were at the beach, this is what it smells like, the freaking beach. Oh my gosh. Let me just wipe that on my leg. Yes. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so thick. All right. Oh my gosh. I probably put too much. Okay, so here's a little bit. Let me go ahead and just show you. So it is a thicker consistency than the hyaluronic acid that I just shared with you. Oh, and excuse my nails. I have an appointment coming up soon. But yes, oh, this feels so nice. Oh my gosh. Oh, and it smells like the beach. I swear it smells just like the beach. This is so exciting. And then the almond butter sugar high is for your hands. So I chose specifically one product per each part of your body. So it comes in that pump. Let me get this going. Hand cream. Actually, let me just kind of like, okay, so this is nice and thick. This is even probably thicker than the body butter. It even kind of smells like almonds. Like chocolate covered almonds. Is that weird? This feels so nice on the hands. Okay, so let me go like clean my face, get showered, all that, and then we'll do like the whole routine together.